Okay, the recipe I'm going to share with you guys today is our hash brown waffles we're going to make in our waffle tray. So, first thing that we do is we're going to I took frozen hash browns and defrosted them and then rinsed them off. And I already wrung the water out as much as I could. I want to show you what I did. So I fold the flexi pan over like this and just squeeze the excess water out. And then if you still see water seeping around, you can kind of pat it down with a towel or paper towel and get all of the water out, because that's how your potatoes, your waffles are gonna come out nice and crispy. So we've got about a pound of potatoes in there, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of your French pantry oil of choice. And I am using our Herbes de Provence oil tonight. Super delicious and really can blend with a lot of great herb blend choices. We've got 1 garlic clove already nice and minced up there. You can use our garlic mincer or garlic press or our mini herb chopper. And then I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of our roasted garlic and chive herb blend. Love with our measuring spoons that you can use one side for dry and one side for liquids, which is fantastic. And then we've got about half a teaspoon of pepper going in there, and we're gonna put about 1 teaspoon, maybe 1.5, got 2 large pinches of salt in there, and then 2 eggs beaten up, okay, already beaten. And then we're gonna mix that all up. You can use whatever you like. I'm using our heat-resistant spatula. I love this spatula with our stainless mixing bowl, and putting all these delicious flavors together. And then we're going to put these into our waffle tray. So, you can see, I'm just gonna scoop this in easily and spread. Okay, so we're filling all of these waffle tray shapes. You can see when I put the hash brown mixture in here that I really wanna make sure that you can see all of those spokes that stick up out of the waffle tray here, so that they're thin enough so that they get nice and crispy. And now I'm gonna put these in the oven at 425 degrees, and they're gonna cook for about a good 25 minutes, maybe 30, but definitely check them at 25 minutes. Okay, it smells amazing in here. Look how beautiful these waffles look. So these are our hash brown waffles. I want you to see how easily they pop right out. Oh goodness, I probably could have even gone a couple more minutes to get them nice and crispy and toasted, but look how beautiful those are. Let's get those on that plate for you. And you can see, you guys, this can be a great breakfast meal with think about some breakfast meat, but you could also do this as a great side dish, any protein for dinner as well. So enjoy.